Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. Still a little on the dark side here. The sun hasn't come up over the horizon, but I wanted to give you a look at the very north end of Delnor-Wiggins Stae Park before the tide comes in and it becomes completely impassable. You're not supposed to be up in there walking. You're supposed to be down by the beach, but there is not going to be a beach here in a couple of minutes, so that's why I'm sharing this view with you. You can see where the water is, and it is a mess here. It was a very sad walk, a solemn and sad walk up here this morning. There's times I look back to the park and I didn't even recognize where I was at. Wiggins Pass, the beach up at the point, has changed a lot. Looks like we lost a lot of beach up there. You can see some of that if you watch this morning's first live feed that I did on Southwest Florida Television's Facebook page. This end of the park got hit hard again. Ian started it. Debbie did a little more damage. Helene and Milton put the icing on the cake. What a shame. Nothing left up here. Nothing left. Very breezy. We got wind coming out of the northeast. Very mild temperatures though. It's about 71, 72 degrees. Looks like the beach over at Barefoot Beach there is gone. It's hard to tell there. It looks like they lost their beach at the south end of the park. High tide here is at 8:50. When the tide is low and the sun is up, I will come up here and get you all a better look if I'm allowed to. But again, stay out of the interior of the park. And I would say just stay away from the north end of the park. Anything north of parking lot 3, I just stay south of parking lot 3. Maybe go up to parking lot 3 and that's it if you're walking on the beach. You can walk the beach. At low tide it should be pretty nice. But there's no need to go north of parking lot 3 right now. Really changed up here. Really changed. This is the best I can do right now for you. I wish there was some more light, but you can see how the water's working its way up into here now onto the beach. A lot of little hills and valleys. That wind is strong. Obviously the park is closed. You can see the water here, the standing water that's making its way in now. See how this is all changed here? Look at that. All right. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news. But somebody's got to do it. I know everybody's dying to see what things are looking like here, and I promised I would keep you informed the best I can. and hit that share button. I know there's a lot of people that love this park. They love Wiggins Pass especially. It's my favorite part of the park up here. Still is. It still is. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your lives. And God bless our wonderful, beautiful, and amazing country, the place that I so proudly call my home. God bless America. Tally-ho. Tally-ho.